Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today I am going through discuss about the first semester exam ICSC 2021-22. Okay. So first semester exam that is begin from 15th November 2021, and today I am going to discuss the topic that is ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. This is a फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर टॉपिक. ये आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर सिलेबस में है रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. तो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन और एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फॉर द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जाम 2021-22. यानी मैं आप लोगों के लिए फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से रिलेटेड जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं या किस टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि आज डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन के लिए. ओके, तो फर्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन, द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेशियो एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोपोर्शन. रेशियो ऑलवेज gives the idea about two terms. For example, there is a ratio like this, A ratio B. But if there are four numbers, then it is known as proportion. And if there are four numbers are in the form like this, A, B, C, D, and A into D is equal to B into C. This means A, B, C, D are in a proportion. If it is not valid, that is A into D doesn't equal to B into C, that means it is not in a proportion. Okay. If A into D is equal to B into C, that means it is in a proportion. Otherwise, not. For example, 2 ratio 3 proportion 6 ratio 9. Here is A, B, C, D, and according to this, A into D equal to B into C. 2 into 9, that is equal to 18, and B into C, that is 3 into 6, that is also equal to 18. It means 2 ratio 3 proportion 6 ratio 9, that is in a proportion. We can write like this, 2 upon 3 equal to 6 upon 9. इसको आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write like this. Okay. So proportion always gives an idea about four numbers. Now, type number first question. What is type number first question? Going through. Question number 1. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for a given proportion. 6 ratio x proportion 20 into 10. So there are four numbers A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now A into D equal to B into C. So 6 into 10 equal to x into 20. Now 6 into 10 upon 20 equal to x. 0 0 cancel, 2 3 just 6. So value of x, that is equal to 3. This is the first type of question. Okay. First type of question or important type question number 1 for ratio and proportion. Okay. Second type important question or expected question is find the fourth proportion. Find the fourth proportion. Fourth proportion. Only 3 numbers is given, 2, 4, 6. So according to rules, let fourth number, that is x, let. Now there are four numbers A, B, C, D. Now A into D equal to B into C. This is a rules for proportion. Now value of A 2 into X equal to 4 into 6. Now X equal to 4 into 6 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. That means value of X that is equal to 12. This is the right answer for fourth proportion. Okay. Next expected question or important question regarding the topic proportion is find third proportion. Find third proportion. In case of third proportion, there is only two numbers is given. Okay. Like this. So we can write like this: 3, 27, 27. Now fourth part is X. A, B, C, D. Now 3 into X equal to 27 into 27. Now X is equal to 27 into 27 divided by 3. 3 9 ja 27. Now X is equal to 9 7 ja 63. 6 9 2 ja 18 or 6 2 4 3. This is the right answer for third proportion. It means in case of third proportion there are two numbers is given and you have to write second position number 2 times, and in at the last position we can write X. Then there will be a 4 numbers that will converted into a proportion. So we can use A into D equal to B into C. Now the value that will come, that is known as third proportion. Okay. Next expected or important question regarding the topic proportion is find the mean. Find the mean. Find the mean for two numbers. Formula is, if there are two numbers A and B is given, then mean is equal to under root A into B. This is the formula for mean for two numbers. And question is, there is 3 and 27. This is A, this is B. Now mean is equals to under root 3 into 27. Now 81 under root 81. This is the root of 9. So mean for two numbers 3 and 21 is 9. Okay. Mean for two numbers, that is A and B. Formula we can use under root A into B. Then in place of A there is 3, in place of B there is 27. Now 3 into 27, that is equal to 81. Now square root of 81 is 9. Okay. Next important question or expected question regarding the topic ratio and proportion is, that is based on continue proportion. Okay. If there is a continue proportion means relation between each and other. The relation between each and other for continuous. For question, example, if x, 3, y and 12 are in continue proportion, then find the value of x and y. Okay. Now solution is, according to continue proportion we can write x 3 12 y, that is x upon 3 equals to 3 upon 12 equals to 12 upon y. This is the condition for continue. Okay. Now taking 2 into consideration, x upon 3 equal to 3 upon 12, 3 4s are 12. So value of x, that is 3 upon 4. Now second condition for the second portion, that is 3 upon 12 equals to 12 upon y, 3 4s are 12, then y is equal to 48. So according to the given condition, that is in a continue way or continue proportion, then the value of x, that is equal to 3 upon 4, and the value of y is equal to 48. Okay. Next important or expected question regarding the topic ratio and proportion is, if 2x minus 1, 5x minus 6, 6x plus 2 and 15x minus 9 are in a proportion. It means according to formula there are 4 numbers. This is A, B, C and D. We can write like this: 5x minus 6, 6x plus 2, 15x minus 9. Now this is A, B, C, D. Now according to proportion rule we know that A into D equals to B into C. So in place of A, 2x minus 1, in place of D, 15x minus 9, in place of B, 5x minus 6, in place of C, 6x plus 2. Now after calculating this value, that will 15 to the 30x square, minus 9 to the 18x, minus 15x, minus plus 9. Again 6 5 the 30x square, plus 10x, minus 6 6 the 36x, minus 12. Now this will cancel. Minus 18 minus 15 minus 33x plus 9 is equal to minus 26x minus 12. Now minus 33x plus 26x equal to minus 12 minus 9. So value will 7x minus 7x is equal to minus 21. So value of x, that is equal to 3. This is the right answer for in case of proportion. It means if there are 4 numbers are given in a proportion, we can use the rules like A into D equal to B into C, then the value of x will come. Okay.